Hey everybody, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got something new from Taiwan. This is called John's John's Braised Scallion oil noodles. This is a 4-pack. This is one of the packs out of the 4-pack, and I'm going to cook one of these up. So, how's it go? Takes 6 to 7 minutes, I think. What's this say? Yep, 6 to 7, so we will do 6.5. These noodles look really neat too. They're air dried. I don't know if they're sun dried. I don't think they sun dry them and end up like this. Usually those are folded. But check these out. These look pretty fancy. So let's drop those in. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's a weird timer. It's really driving me nuts lately. But yeah, so let's see what's going on. Yeah, these guys sent me these noodles and I've been wanting to try them for a long time. And they have arrived. So we shall see how they are. And it comes with, they're really into the sauces that come with these. It says they come with John's, or beautiful John sauce. Is that what it says? Yeah, beautiful John sauce. But the thing is though, I don't know which one that is. It almost sounds like you're supposed to put that on at the end. I'm gonna guess that's gonna be this one. Or, I don't know. There's this one, there's this one, and there's this one. This one looks really interesting. There's a lot of stuff infused in it. But I'm gonna go with it's this one. But we'll see. I don't think there's any crime in like stirring it all together. I think it'll be groovy. There's a crime on letting it boil over on the nicely, freshly cleaned stove though. So what's going on right now? It is a Sunday, it's raining, I went out and walked and stuff, and I'm back, and that was a doing and happening and all that stuff. Oh, wait a second. We need our fancy light show. What would we do without that? Here. Gotta have our fancy light show. There. Here we go. So, with that, the episode may now officially start. But, yeah, there's this area that I pass by that has all these birds, and there's these huge bird nests. They're for, what do you call them? Blue herons. Big, loud, noisy birds. And right next to it, people for some reason like to dump off like old furniture and stuff. And now, and before there were some what do you call it, mattresses, like bed mattresses. There was a mattress and a box spring. Now there's another mattress over there across the street from it. Kind of crazy. Not a great place to put stuff. Yeah. The other thing going on is Ukraine and Russia, and I don't know what's going on with that currently, but it doesn't sound like it's fun for Ukrainians, so hopefully the Ukrainians have more fun soon. And I don't know. I'm sure it sounds like there's a lot of Russians that aren't having a lot of fun either. In Russia, they're protesting it. And tomorrow, supposedly the stock market is just going to flip out. So, not that I have anything in the stock market, but I do like to receive noodles. That's been one thing for years. I've wanted to like get in touch with a Russian noodle company, but I think that's never happened. Ever. But someday that'll happen. I want to try noodles from every single corner of the globe, and that's been one market. And instant noodles are very popular in Russia. They're also very popular in Ukraine, and a buddy of mine, he sent me some that he got that are Ukrainian varieties. I think the brand is Mavina, and there was a banana one, a strawberry one. I never reviewed the darn strawberry one. I wish I had. It's long since expired, but I still have it. And a hot and spicy chicken one, which really wasn't hot nor spicy, but it was chickeny. But yeah, interesting stuff over there. The banana one was honestly pretty good. So I'm really curious about this one today because it says it's, let's see, what was it again? It's braised scallion oil. So I wonder if it has that flavor like braised beef noodles often have, and then a scallion oil aspect to it. I don't see anything that makes me think this is going to be like really spicy. This I'm going to think is the scallion oil. This, I don't know. I've gotten all these ready to review already, and the posts are all set up and everything, but so far I'm kind of like clueless. I've never tried anything by this brand, so I'm definitely curious. Got a minute or so left on this one. I'm doing all three today. So there's this one, there's a fried sauce noodle, and then there's a hot and sour. Beautiful hot and sour noodles. That one has 6 sachets with it. 6. So we'll see how this all goes. I think it's going to be fun. Yeah, what else is going on? Not much. Just kind of chilling and doing the thing. Yeah. Waiting for noodles to cook. Yeah. But yeah, the rain is back. The cold weather is kind of backing off. But it's that kind of spitty rain, you know what I mean? It's just like, it's kind of raining. I'd rather have big drops that are more sporadic rather than the little drops that are just like somebody has a squirt bottle and spraying at your face. So you get all wet, and it's just kind of, especially if you wear glasses, it's really irritating. But I will continue to go out in the elements and walk around, as it's fascinating to me. And it's nice. It's nice to get out and walk around. So. All right, now we drain these noodles. Noodles be drained. All right, let's get up in here. This is like the first reviews I've done in a few days. Kids have been off all week. They go back to school tomorrow. They're pretty excited about that. Here's our first sachet. Fancy stuff. Got a lot going on in here. Ooh, that smells good. This one's liquid. I don't know what this is. This might just be soy sauce. It's almost like a... What we got here? Now I'm fascinated because that one tasted really good. The first one I put in smelled really good. What's this one? Oh, wow. I'm getting definitely a braised kind of thing going on here. And this one's got all sorts of stuff in with it. This might be a spicy one. It is kind of looking a little reddish. Very curious. I love getting stuff from new brands that I've never had any of their product. I mean, I like, you know, my favorite noodle is the one I haven't reviewed yet, but you know, if it's something completely new to me. Interesting. That one smells a little pickled. All right. Lovely. What have we here, ladies and gentlemen? Ooh, we have noodle, we have noodle sauce dripping on my face. All right, I think that's pretty good. Let's get some from down here. Nice looking noodle. Hot looking noodle. Cheers. Wow. I want to try more of this. Wow, that's freaking good. I like this one. I like that. Wow. Nice light bit of heat, just a little. Very rich and flavorful. Oh man, I got 2 more to do. I just want to eat that. Let's try. Oh, I gotta do these quick because I'm losing my good light by the window. All right, let's go like that. Right. Why does it seem all crooked? I don't understand. Is it going the right way? No, it's not. It needs to be over here. Okay, well. That is a very, very tasty flavor combo, I gotta say. That is really nice. I'm really digging this. The noodle's on point, non-fried noodle. Great gauge, nice mouthfeel. All right, I've got this. We made chashu on Saturday. Went and got some pork belly. It was time. That's probably very nice right there. And then we've got some. It's braised scallion oil noodle. Why not have some scallion on top? And I also remembered to get some sesame seeds. So that's kind of a nicety. All we go. Oh no! There we go. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see if I can zoom this out here. I think I did. Anyway, the next one we've got that you'll see next time is this John's Taiwanese fried sauce noodles from Yuan. I think that's how it's pronounced. I could be wrong. Apologies, but this looks primo. It's in a box. So, all right. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.